Welcome. Namaste. I'm Madhu, and today we're going to make black-eyed pea dip, and it's easy, simple, and vegetarian. It's actually from my book, The Indian Vegan Kitchen, and we're going to get started. To get started, the first thing I always do is have all my ingredients ready. So I have black-eyed peas that I've drained and rinsed, and have all my spices measured and ready to go. And the next thing we're going to do is heat our pan. Nice heavy skillet that we're heating. And I'm going to put some oil in it. And until the oil heats, we don't want to touch it. This black-eyed pea dip is something that one day a friend of mine called and wanted me to bring a dish for a potluck, and I took this big pot of black-eyed peas as a snack, put it right next to chips, and the next thing I know, everybody's dipping into it. All right, think the oil's hot. Add the cumin seeds, and you want to wait until they're nice and popping and brown before you add anything to it. I'm going to add my spices. I'm adding my turmeric, cayenne pepper. Now you can always adjust the cayenne pepper. If you don't like a lot of heat, tone it down, eliminate it. It's your dish. Make it the way you like it. And then I'm going to adding some ground coriander and some salt. Okay. Just stir. It's a super, super easy dish. All right, then I'm going to add some water. And let the water come to boil. Now that it's boiling, I'm going to reduce the heat to medium-low, cover it with a lid, and let it simmer for 10 minutes. All right, let's see what our dish is doing here. Okay. Oh, I like it. It's just perfect. Most of the water's evaporated. So I'm just going to turn it off. I am going to mash a few beans just to kind of give it a uniform look. And it'll also absorb the rest of the water in here. And the final step, I'm going to add the garam masala. And squeeze a little lemon juice on it. All right. It's a little liquid, and that's fine. You want that. Transfer it to a serving bowl. Now you can garnish it with some red onions. I cut them really, really fine so that you get a little tiny piece of the onion there. Okay. And garnish it with some cilantro. Oh, doesn't that look beautiful? All right. All right, and then I'm going to serve these with pita chips, which I just took a pita and I slid it. It's a pocket pita. I slid it open, cut it in wedges, and I heat it for 7 to 9 minutes in an oven that's 375 degrees, and voila, your chips are ready. You can store them in an airtight container. All right, here's your black-eyed pea dip. Hope you try it at home. Happy, healthy cooking.